Ninong Noel for the information of everyone. Ang nakuha ni Ninong Noel at saka ni Ninang Portia, the best advice. So, Adrian and Joyce, may we hear from the both Ninang and Ninang, what's the best advice that they can give you? Alright, let's start.
Pulsam.
Pulsam lang? Pwede na? Okay.
May parang alam ko na yung sasabihin mo ah.
Okay. Ano na lang, dear?
Hoy, makinig naman tayo.
Sige, pulsam.
Wholesome, okay. Kuya, tatanggalin ko na ba yung sapatos ko?
Mga bata, pakitapin mo yung mga tenga.
Alright. So, this is considered to be the best advice ever for the bride and the groom. Alright.
Okay. For Adrian and Joyce, I remember yung sinabi sa akin nung ninong namin, nung wedding namin ng wife ko.
Alright.
That if you ever get caught, Adrian,
Okay.
even if somebody accuse you that you are the one who killed Dinoy Aquino,
Alright.
don't mean it.
Alright, narinig nyo ba yung mga yon? Yun yung best advice ni Ninong Noel.
And tell your wife that she's just dreaming.
Alright. Wow, that's so good. Okay. So sabi, tinuturuan ko magsinungaling.
No. But
Alright,
seriously
okay.
speaking,
Alright.
hindi ko alam kung sabi na to, but nabasa ko to one time eh.
Okay.
Let your marriage turn into silver.
Okay.
After silver, let it turn into gold,
Alright.
which means 50 years, hopefully.
Alright.
Then when it turns to gold, let it become diamonds. You know
Wow.
diamonds are forever.
Wow, that's really the best advice I've ever heard. Okay, from hindi siya. Okay. Dapat nagtulungan kayo. Wala kang sasabihin natin. O sige. So sabi niya, yun na daw yung best advice nilang dalawa for you. Meron daw. Okay, pahabol. Alright.
Always remember that trust is the key for a lifelong relationship. So keep it up.
Alright, trust daw, trust. Narinig niyo yon, trust. Okay. Alright, may we hear from yung ate at saka kuya. Okay. Mga ladies and gentlemen, sa ate at kuya, the sexiest advice ang pwede nilang ibigay. Alright, may we hear from the ate and the kuya? Anong sexiest advice? Okay, kuya, may we hear from you?
Adrian, my advice for most sexiest, I'm married almost 13 years.
Wow, 13
I always
years!
say to my wife,